Across to R.K. Singh, Union Minister, the Ministry of Power, New and Energy, Renewable Energy speaking.
And let the talent work. We opened our markets and let the talent work. And that spurred our growth. And, we've made some mistakes on the way. What are the factors of production? One, of course, is land. Now, we had a Land Acquisition Act. That Land Acquisition Act, provided for acquiring land for industry. Then we changed it in 2013. That was, I think, a mistake, because now acquiring land for industry suddenly became more difficult. The act was a bit short-sighted, but it's still there. It's still there. So that's a problem, which we have to solve. And different states and the country are trying to solve it in different ways by building land banks so that land is not an issue. Credit has been a problem. Now, credit has been a problem partly because of the orientation of our bankers, who have been ultra conservative. Now, that orientation needs to change. That is changing. It is changing gradually. Risk-averse orientation needs to change. It is changing gradually. It will change because we are pushing it. Third is demand. There never was a dearth of demand, but at the pace of growth which we have set, we have multiplied the demand. For example, take my sector. In the last 7 years, in the last 10 years, let's say, we've added 190,000 megawatts of power generation capacity. 190,000 megawatts of power generation capacity. We've increased our power generation capacity, to about 435,000 megawatts, 436,000 megawatts, from almost about 200,000 megawatts. We've near about doubled that capacity, that power generation capacity. That required a lot of equipment, both thermal and renewable. We've added 200,000 circuit kilometers to the transmission line. Now, today, our transmission system is the largest integrated transmission system in the world, bar none, and it's one of the most modern. Now we can transfer 116,000 megawatts from one corner of the country to another. That's what we have done. Our government has done. That's what I have done. And all this requires equipment. All this requires equipment. Now I spent about 2 lakh crores during my tenure, or have already spent, in constructing almost about 3,900, about 3,000 new substations, about upgrading about 4,000 substations, adding 8.5 lakh circuit kilometers of HT lines and LT lines, 7.5 lakh transformers. All these required equipment. And I'm still, and my expansion is going on. And I will double my size by 2030. I need to double my size by 2030 because that's the quantum of power which I need. My power demand has gone up by 60% from 2013, 2014, and I have met it. Last year it grew at 9%, and I have met it because of the capacity addition which I did, because of the transmission lines which I added, because of the huge number of substations which I created, and the huge number of substations which I upgraded, because of the HT lines and LT lines which I have added. But it is not enough, it is not enough. I have to keep adding it, I have to keep doubling all my sectors. And I am doing it. I am adding almost about 85,000 megawatts of thermal capacity. I have another 14,000 megawatts of hydro. Hydro was moribund before our government came to office. We restarted it. And now I have 14,000 megawatts under construction and about 15,000 megawatts under clearances. So that also will come on stream. That requires millions of tons of cement, millions of tons of steel, etc., everything. Now all this, we have invested already almost what my sector has invested 20 lakh crores. And in the next 5-7 years, we'll invest another about 17 lakh crores. That's what we are doing. And that requires manufacturing. Now, we were alive to this. So we started early on. giving you a playing field where we protected you. So in 2018, I came out with a circular saying that every imported equipment would need to go through, strenuous tests. That was to make sure that the imported equipment took some time to get in. We have to follow the international law. So I did it all according to law. But nobody could stop me for testing for malware. So I issued a circular for that. For thermal equipment, we started the phased manufacturing program, where we encourage people to start manufacturing here. Now, I again have to start it, because in between, the world decided and we decided that we need to transition. So we started the transitioning at a rapid pace. We are a world leader in energy transition already. The pace of capacity addition of renewable energy in our country is the highest in the world. That's not me saying it. That's the International Energy Agency saying it. Today, my non-fossil capacity is about 186,000 megawatts. Out of which 7,000 megawatts is nuclear. Remaining is all solar, wind, hydro, all renewable. Now, all that required equipment. You are in a hurry? Not at all. Because I have a lot to say. Yeah, so all that requires equipment. And I put in barriers to make sure that the outer, the external equipment does not come in. So phased manufacturing program, checks for cyber security, encouraging people to make in India. We came out with, let's take thermal. Let's go step by step. Thermal. So thermal, we phased manufacturing program. We built up capacity for manufacturing here. Then we transitioned. Then we started transitioning. We felt that we need not add more thermal capacity. So actually we slowed down capacity addition. There was one more reason why the capacity addition slowed down, and that was because our discoms were not viable. The viability was an issue. We had, when I joined, I had about 60,000 megawatts which were on the sick bed. 60,000 megawatts of generation capacity was in NCLT. Today, all my companies have doubled, tripled their share prices. And their market cap has gone up 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. All my companies, public or private sector. That's how viable we have made it. We brought down the AT&C losses from 27% in 2014 to approximately 15%. And the next year, it will be around about 12%. We've made sure that all the states pay their subsidy on time, whatever the subsidy will be.